Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I just cannot get the camera straight today. Also rocking some hat. I've been wearing a hat all day, so I actually have a new channel sticker that I just got in the mail the other day. I don't know if that's really showing up. It's basically the logo you see with the little jingle at the start of all my videos. Now, where'd it go? Oh, now some of you have my original sticker, which is this one, right here. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have two stickers because, you know, got to be different. But for a lot of you who already have my sticker, if I have your address, I'm actually going to put these in the mail. Today is Friday. I'm going to get these in the mail Monday. And I think I'm going to upload this video Tuesday. So you'll already, you will get, check your mailbox for stickers. So I'm going to have stickers on the way. I already cut some out. They came in sheets. I'll link the description where I bought them. It's called Sticker Universe. I basically just went with the cheapest shipping I could get. But I think the stickers came out pretty well. I don't know if the camera is going to show that, but I don't know, is it going to... The focus on this camera sometimes just drives me nuts. So yeah, I think they came out like that. They're a little smaller than the other one, but I think they look alright. So I'll get those out in the mail as soon as I can. So I'll show you the mail call I got today. Alright, move my stickers out of the way. In no particular order, I'm going to start with this one. I sent Eddie from Backyard Custom Knives my address, and he sent me his channel sticker. Oh, it's taped in there. Oh, he has two stickers. That's cool. Those are his channel stickers, and shout out to him. He's got a very cool channel, Backyard Custom Knives. What'd I drop? Oh, I just dropped my own sticker on the floor. So that's that. Let's see if you... I don't think he wrote anything in here. So I have his address, so I'm going to send his sticker off as soon as I can. I'm actually going to send him one of each, so I'll get these both in the mail. And then this guy here, I got I was watching Manland. Him and Bones were sitting around eating. And you got the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Is that focus gonna work today? Having Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, according to Bone from Bone Jard. If it swims, this is good on it. And I also want the original shake as well. I'll link the description for the site. And oddly enough, I picked up my fishing license yesterday from Cabela's. So yeah, there's going to be some fishing on my channel here, because it would be pointless to have a license and not fish. If you might have seen... Wow, focus is just... Focus, you're killing me today, man. You're killing me. This is not, this is actually going out. This is for somebody else, so if you saw it sitting here, I was just keeping everything kind of in together. He sent me an extra box. Smoke bomb? Get you some right now? I don't know what this is, so I'll have to try that at some point. Yeah, so I heard the Gator Shake's quite good, so I'm actually looking forward to trying that. I might have to do some salmon here soon and try that. Alrighty, So I have a sticker board now, which you can't see. So here's everybody's sticker. And I got this, go to a craft store and then go to their picture section, and this is the backing for like a poster. So I have so I got Kaylynn Strain, very sweet lady. She actually drew this herself. It's not even a sticker. I just put it on there with some tape. Backyard Custom Knives by Brother John and my woodsman. I was actually going to put this one on there of his, but he actually wrote a message on the back, so I couldn't pull that off. And then there's a Hike with Mike, Open Air Fish Market. Hoping these are focusing. We're having some cameras being a pain lately. My own on there, Adventure Rhoades and Broseph Russell. So as you can see, I got a lot of extra space. So if you guys want to send me a sticker, I'll put my email in the description, and you guys can send me a message, and I'll get stickers off to you, and hopefully I'll get one back from you, and see if I can get my board filled up. Pretty cool, and I like the background too. So I just gotta find a place to hang it now. I kind of like to hang it right here, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. I guess I was a little off, but maybe I could find a way to hang it like this. Of course, duct tape would work, but it wouldn't look as good. So, cool. At least I got it started. I hope I'm not missing any stickers anywhere. If I do, and I'll put them on. But a few I'm missing. Some crucial people I watch. So I'll have to email them and say, hey man, sticker me already. And yeah, cool. And anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thanks. And I got a lot of videos coming up. I got my pack ready for next week's outing, which I'm going to do. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks, which I think I said that already, but I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.